Dear children, in this video we are going to learn about the dispersal of seeds. We know that many plants produce a large number of seeds. If these seeds fall and grow near the mother plant, they would not get enough sunlight, space, water and nutrients to grow. So, the seeds are dispersed from one place to another. In a new place, they grow into a new plant. They get enough water, sunlight and nutrients to grow. What is dispersal? The scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is known as dispersal of seeds. The dispersal process is carried out by various agents such as wind, water, animals and human beings. Students, first of all we are going to learn the dispersal of seeds by wind. The hairy, light and winged seeds or the seeds that are attached with some fibrous materials, they can float in the air and can be carried by the wind currents. The seeds of madar, heptage, cotton, these are carried by wind to other places. The seeds of grass are very small. These are also carried by wind to other places. In a new place, these plants grow. Here the hairy structures, fibrous-like structures help the seeds to move from one place to another or to disperse in various directions. They are carried by wind. The winged structures help the plants to float in the air, the seeds to float in the air. These are carried to other places, a new place when they fall and when they get the water and nutrients, these seeds develop into new plants. You can see this type of seeds, they are very light, thin. When they dry, they are carried by the wind. Now students, the second type of dispersal, that is dispersal of seeds by water. The coconut plants grow near the coastal regions much. The coconuts fall in the water bodies such as lakes and seas. They are carried by tides or water currents or by flowing water to other regions. In a new place, they are trapped and germinate into new plants, new coconut plant. The seeds of lotus and water lily, they are grown in water. Their seeds after maturing carried by the water currents to other places where a new lotus or water lily and also other plants such as Eichhornia, Singada, all these plants also grow by the dispersal of seeds by wind. Wind, not water. Now children, the dispersal of seeds by birds and animals. Many of the birds eat the fruits and the fruits enter into their digestive system. The fleshy parts digested and the undigested seeds come out of their excrement. Then they fall in the new place where they excrete, and these seeds develop into new plants in favorable seasons. Now students, there are different types of berries and other fruits eaten by the plants, chilies eaten by the parrots and toucans. Such birds disperse the seeds. The squirrels are the animals. They carry the seeds to their holes or in the holes near to the bottom of the tree. They keep these seeds. Some of the seeds fall in some regions, and when they get the moisture during the rainy season, these seeds develop into new plants. So these small animals like the squirrels and mice help in seed dispersal. Now children, the human beings are also agents of seed dispersal. Hooked seeds attached to the stalks when we go to fields or some other places. When we remove them, and also the animals such as the dogs, cats or the other fur animals, these hooked seeds attached to their fur, and when they shake their body, the seeds will fall on the new place and develop into new plants. Students, we know that the monkeys sit on the trees like jamun trees or mango trees. They eat the fruits. Sometimes they see the human beings, they carry these fruits in their hands. They go to other place eating on another tree. After eating the fleshy parts, they throw the seeds. These seeds also develop into new plants. Now students, we know that the human beings and also the bigger animals, the furred animals also help in the dispersal of the seeds. Now children, there is one more method of seed dispersal, that is called explosion. The pods of plants break open like in the peas and lady's finger. When the pod, vegetable pod, when it is dried up, it break open and the seeds are scattered in various directions. That process known as explosion of seeds, and this is also another method of seed dispersal. Now students, we studied various methods of dispersal of seeds. The dispersal is the scattering of seeds away from the mother plant. There are various agents of seed dispersal such as the wind, water, animals, human beings and explosion. The dispersal is helpful for the plants because the seeds reach into new places where they get more space to grow. They get enough sunlight, nutrients and water. They can reproduce other new plants by the production of seeds. So the process of reproduction will thus continue, and dispersal is very necessary for helping that process. So students, I hope you understood the topic that is taught in this video. Thank you.